Well, thousands of children in South Carolina between the ages of 5 to 11 got their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine within the last week. State health officials say they have plenty of vaccines on hand and urge families to make the decision to get their child vaccinated to protect their children and their families. Our Jason Raven has more.
According to the State Health Department, DHEC, in the last 6 days, a little more than 7,000 children between the ages of 5 to 11 in South Carolina got the first dose of the Pfizer vaccine.
The health leaders called this a big step forward in the state's fight against COVID-19.
There are a lot of factors to consider when it comes to parents making decisions to get their children vaccinated. But that being said, we're excited for the ones who have made that decision and encourage others to also protect their children by getting them vaccinated.
They say right now there are over 100,000 pediatric doses of the COVID-19 vaccine in South Carolina, so there is plenty of supply, and they're working on distributing that to the more than 250 providers in the state giving the vaccine to children. DHEC medical consultant Dr. Jonathan Kanuka says getting children vaccinated now could help minimize a winter surge in South Carolina.
So having this age group vaccinated, particularly as we move into the winter months, and people getting together for seasonal celebrations, it's essential that they get vaccinated because it greatly reduces their ability to spread the virus to their parents and grandparents and other loved ones.
Dr. Kanuka says COVID-19 numbers are currently trending in the right direction here, and it appears the state has passed the September peak, but urges caution as we head into the holiday season.
We're not here to fearmonger or scare people, and even though our numbers are going down, I think if history is a lesson and if other places are a lesson, we should be cautious about what could happen this winter, and we need to make sure that we're getting vaccinated and wearing our face masks right now.
And according to DHEC, there are more than 430,000 children in South Carolina in the 5 to 11 age group. In Columbia, Jason Raven, 7 News.